watching a couple of videos like websites you should never visit, but this one's actually kind of cool. Epilepsy warning straight away and loud noise warning. My volume's halfway because I've just been on it, and it's called this right here. This is what you have to type in, and yeah, this little guy right here will follow your fingers. If I like go down, I like go up, I go. But if you move your finger way too fast like this, I also think you epilepsy and something like. So do not watch this video if you have epilepsy warning. And I do not know why it does this. So if I move it slowly, but if I move it fast, that's what happens. Like peace out.